welcome to another vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another day of Vlogmas. I'm so excited to be doing this. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the Hopefully you guys are, I'm talking way too fast, I'm too hyped. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content thus far. I'm actually about to head out to go get coffee with one of my friends. Well, I'm probably gonna order tea, but we're going to like a little coffee spot so that we can just catch up. I really haven't had like much girl time, so this should be really fun. I'm about to show you guys my outfit and then I'm gonna head out because I actually, wow, it's actually the time that I'm supposed to leave to make it there on time. So I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit really quick and then we are going to head to coffee. Let me know what you guys want to see more of for Vlogmas. Always down to take suggestions. Please comment them down below if you guys want me to, you know, do a certain type of video or, you know, whatever it is. I'm up for suggestions. This is my first Vlogmas, so I really want to make it count. I really want you guys to stay entertained, and yeah, let me go show you guys the outfit so that I don't be late. Alright y'all, so the lighting isn't the best in here. I actually need to purchase a full body mirror so I can give you guys better outfit. This is just basically like the closet doors. So yeah, when I get a full body mirror, that will be great. But I haven't found one that I like. So hopefully this will do for now. But basically I just have this black wrap shirt on. I think I got it from either Boohoo or Pretty Little Things. Got these jeans on. They're from Forever 21, as well as the boots are from Forever 21, and then this bag is actually what I got from Buffalo Exchange. If you guys watched my video before this one, I went to Buffalo Exchange. That is like a trade store where you get like used or new clothes. Basically kind of like Goodwill, but a little bit more upscale, I guess is how I would explain it. And I got this bag, so I'm gonna wear that. And then if it's cold, which right now it says it's 72 degrees, so I should be fine, but we will be in an establishment and sometimes, you know, they blast the AC. So I just have this jean jacket. I don't know, I probably wore this in a vlog before, but I'll put that on. But yeah, like I said, don't want to be late, so I'm about to go. Getting coffee. The coffee was so good. I'm about to add some ice to the rest of this because I didn't finish drinking it at the place. But the place was so cute. It's called Mothership. If you are in the Vegas area, it's called Mothership, and the inside is so cute. I didn't record in the inside though because there was so many people like sitting down in the inside, like on their computers. It was so quiet in there, so I feel like people go there to like get work done and probably like escape like their normal settings. So I didn't want to be in it. It was like small, so I didn't want to be that person freaking with my camera like panning over everybody while they're on their computers doing their work and stuff like that. So yeah, I didn't get a video of like the inside, only of like my food and stuff, like when it came out. But the place is so cute. But yeah, we ended up talking for like 2 hours. I didn't record, you know, any of that because we were really having like girl talk, catching up, you know, giving each other advice, and it was just really nice to go and hang out with someone and, you know, have that bond, because I mostly just be in the house, if I'm being honest. But this Vlogmas is gonna force me to get out so that the videos aren't boring. So yeah, right now I think I'm gonna find something to eat. I need to wash the clothes that I got from Buffalo Exchange. If you guys didn't go watch yesterday's video, I went to Buffalo Exchange and I bought some little pieces from there, and I need to wash them before I like fold them up and hang them up. So that's what I'm probably about to do now, and then I need to go to the package room to get my packages because I got 2 alerts for packages that came. So I'll come back. I know me, I like to watch people like unboxing stuff. I'll be like, ooh, what did you get? What did you get? So I'm gonna get the packages from the package room and then I'll come back and unbox them with you guys. I think that was all I needed to update you guys about. Yeah, the place was super cute. We had a great conversation, really needed that. There was something else I was supposed to be telling y'all, and I don't remember. Yeah, it's not, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get the packages and I'll come back. So basically, as soon as I cut the camera off, I remember what I was gonna tell you guys. So after I get the packages and open them with you, I am going to go to the gym. I was about to say I'm gonna try to go to the gym, but no, I am going to the gym. I said that I would start going to the gym, and today would be the day when I start going back. I was doing good, and then I fell off, and then I was doing good, and then I fell off. And yesterday I was like, okay, Raven, go to the gym, get back into it. I have like on my vision board like my body goals, and that's what I want to work towards. And I also just kind of like been telling myself it's not so much about the body goals. Yes, you know, I want to be snatched or whatever, but it's also just about health. And I feel like it really helps me to have like a better mental state, just being happier when I'm working out and being active, and worried about my, you know, focusing on my health. So yes, I'm going to go to the gym tonight. Hey guys, so I'm back. I went to the package room. It's been like an hour since I last talked to you guys. I started watching some YouTube videos, scrolling on Instagram. You know how that goes. But I did go over to the package room. I told you guys we would open packages together. So here are the packages. I just have 3 of them. And I'm gonna open them for you guys. So, boom. Let's start with the small one. All these packages are from Amazon. Okay. What the heck? I tried to rip my address off and now all the fluffy stuff is going everywhere. Oh, and I put on my workout clothes. So right after I'm finished unboxing this with you guys, I am gonna go to the gym and work out. Even though it's literally 9 o'clock at night. But I'm gonna go do it because I didn't go this morning. I'm gonna use it so that I can hang up stuff. I know that it says it's basically like a glue where you can like fix things, but one of my friends, Tyra, she's on I was gonna say she's on Instagram. Well, she is on Instagram, but she's on YouTube as Tyra the Creative, and she did a porch like makeover, not porch, what would you call it, balcony makeover, and she hung up her lights with these. So I have lights for my balcony, and I tried to use command strips, but the balcony is kind of like stucco, so it's not a smooth surface, so it just fell down. So I'm gonna try and use this to do it. She said that it really works well, so that's why I got this. So in this one, this is basically organizers for my dresser. So now I can finish that video. Hopefully I can have that video out soon, but I was doing a video where I was basically organizing like my drawers and my closet, and so I didn't have these because I just couldn't find one that I really liked. And so for Cyber Monday, these were on sale. So basically they're just gray drawer like organizers. You guys will see in the video. But yeah, got that for my drawer. And then also I got this exfoliating shower towel. So there's like this hype around this brand of shower towels, and usually I use the exfoliating gloves, but I wanted to try to use this because honestly it just looks like it will work better than the gloves. And then I guess I like the fact that you can do the back, because I usually have like the little back scrubber things, so I have to switch between the two. But yeah, they said this is really good, and it helps to basically keep your skin soft and get rid of dead skins and all that. And all you have to do is just lather it up, wash with it. So I'll let you guys know how I like this. I might use it tonight. We'll see. So I was watching Aaliyah's Face on YouTube, here on YouTube, and she talked about this tripod. She was doing like a video, I think I saw it on Instagram first or her YouTube, I'm not sure, where she was showing like her recording her food, but it was like the tripod was like overhead, so it was like a what would you call it, aerial view or bird's eye view. I was like, okay, you know, it's time for me to upgrade. I usually just get like, you know, the cheap tripods, and so I was like, let me invest in a professional tripod. So I just went on, and if you guys are interested, she has them linked, like her Amazon links on her Instagram, and her name on Instagram is Aaliyah's Face. So So if you guys are interested in getting it also. But yeah, I'm super excited about this tripod. It got me a big girl purchase for tripods. So yeah, that's all I got from Amazon. I did order some more stuff over this weekend, so when that comes we can open it up together. But right now I need to go to the gym before I talk myself out of going, because I hate like working out at night. I am a workout in the morning type of person. So you know, I really want to do this so I can show myself that I can be dedicated to what I say I'm going to do and creating healthy habits for myself. So let's, girl, I did not think that was too close to my face. Okay, let's go to the gym. Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym. It was really nice. I forgot to take the camera with me, so the clips that you saw were some clips that I just tried to get on my phone. But to be honest with you guys, I was extremely tired in there, so I wasn't even trying to get like creative shots or whatever. I was honestly just trying to go through the workout. I actually have, okay, so I had the paper. I left the paper at the gym. Hold on, y'all, I gotta go and get the paper from the gym. All right guys, we're good. It was still there. I mean, I don't know if anybody's going to the gym at 10, 11 something at night. So, but anyways, it was still there. Good news, I am exhausted. So I'm about to shower, do my face routine, and get in the bed, because I'm gonna try and get up tomorrow morning and go to the gym and get back on me going to the gym in the morning, because that's what I prefer better than at night. Because like I said, I was really sluggish in there, but I was determined to push myself. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend, and I will see you lovely people tomorrow. Peace.